Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this simple question. Write an equivalent logarithmic statement for 2 squared is equal to 4. So to write this in logarithm notation, we are going to identify where the base is, where the number is, and where the power is, because the structure of logarithm is log to base a of b is equal to n. And we identify each and every number. In this case, a is the base and b is the number, while n is the power. So having this in mind, we just substitute these numbers into this structure. So we're going to have log to the base, and in this case the base is 2, and then the number is b, in this case that is 4, and that is equal to the power or the log. So n in our case is 2. So that is the logarithmic structure for that particular equation. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe.